Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this $10 Bluetooth speaker. So, it has USB, I got it from Kmart. It has USB auxiliary, on-off switch, and a charger, micro USB, and I got it from Kmart. It's $10, up to 6 hours playtime, and 3-watt speaker with a built-in microphone with hands-free function. So, it was $10 from Kmart. So yeah, I know Kmart, I got this from New Zealand Kmart, and it was $10, but I'm not sure, it might be different from where you live. So yeah, let's get unboxing this thing. Okay, so we're just going to cut it open. This is what it looks like. It was $10 from Kmart. There's the information about it, I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, here's the back of it. So let's unbox this. And this was $10 in total because in New Zealand, like I know the USA, you have to pay tax separately after the product because it's not included. This, because I bought it in New Zealand, the tax and stuff is included in the price. So yeah, it was $10 in total for this Bluetooth speaker from Kmart, New Zealand. So let's just open it and see what's inside. Okay, so here's the speaker. This is what it looks like. It's actually pretty good. It has this handle so you can hold it. It has buttons on the top. It has pause and play, and then it has phone, and then it has like arrows that way and one that way. Here's the back of it. So in front of it, it has this very nice like handle grip so you can walk around with it and hold it. It comes with an auxiliary cable, so that's pretty handy. And it also comes with a charger cable. So there you go, charger. It's pretty nice. And it also comes with instruction manual and this box which is holding the cables, and that's it. So yeah, that's the end of the video. It comes with this cable and this one, auxiliary and power cable, charger. Here's the speaker. Thanks for watching. I'll put up a review on the speaker, so look at my channel, or you know, if you want to see that video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if subscribing is some part, definitely consider subscribing because I post amazing videos. And I'm sorry I had to film this in a box because it's raining. So yeah, bye.